Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking posture, head over hips and spine neutral. Relax the trapezius so the shoulders sit naturally low. This reduces shrug reflex. Take 2 to 3 slow walking steps at a controlled pace, feeling weight shift from heel to toe. Once done, gently engage the shoulder girdle. Think of a soft hinge at the base of the neck so that the shoulders can rotate slightly with torso rotation. Make sure to breathe evenly and keep arms loose to allow natural movement. You now build the sway by driving rotation from the thorax. Do not force the neck. As your right foot steps forward, allow the left shoulder to move forward first, creating a counter-rotation, then let the torso follow. Keep the pelvis stable and slightly engaged so the motion isolates to the upper body. Once the pattern feels smooth, increase step length marginally to exaggerate the effect while coordinating the opposite arm swing. Make sure to practice until the shoulder movement feels effortless and rhythmic. You finish by refining timing and troubleshooting common issues. Walk in short 30-60-second sets and record from a 45-degree angle so you can see shoulder-to-pelvis relation. If you feel tension, stop, breathe, drop the shoulders, and reduce sway amplitude. Tension ruins fluidity. If hips over-rotate, shorten your stride by about 10 to 20% and recenter your pelvis until shoulders lead without dragging the hips. Once smooth, integrate into normal walking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.